this video, we will show you how to doublespace in Microsoft Word. Doublespace in Microsoft Word is many meanings in here. The first meaning, you can doublespace using the line spacing in here. If you try to click line spacing, the result look like this. This is the meaning one. You can refer back like this. Then the second meaning is you can go to Designs. In the Design tabs, you can choose Paragraph Spacing. On Paragraph Spacing, you can select double. This is the meaning 2. For paragraph spacing is double like this. And the third meaning is double space is mean in here. This is just one space. You can press Ctrl A to select all the text or words in here. Then you can Ctrl plus F button in the same times. Then you can just click this and select replace. Now this is you need to add blank space and then replace with double blank space like this. Then you can click replace all in here. Now this is the meaning 3 of doublespace in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helpful for you.